Hey beauties, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Today's video is going to be no other than a wash day routine from start to finish, how I pre-poo, what I used to pre-poo, and all the good stuff. This wash day routine is going to be like with a light protein treatment, and I will show you guys the results, so stick around, don't move, and let's wash our hair. This is the aloe vera. I just buy it in a fresh market store here in France. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chop off a couple pieces. And then I'm gonna chop off the side, and then all I just do is cut it in the middle like this. I love to do this when I'm filming a video with the aloe vera. Oh, so sticky. So now that you have seen how I just chop off my aloe vera, now let's go to the bathroom so I can apply it and show you guys how I just apply it and the next steps that I do in my wash day routine. So yeah, you guys, I left this on for probably an hour or hour and a half. I went cook, I ate. Here I'm gonna wash my hair. So I think it's been enough. I usually leave it overnight. I think that's enough, like an hour, hour and a half. I know some people leave it on for like half an hour only, but me, I like to leave it overnight. Here I'm going to detangle my hair because you know, look how shiny the hair looks with the aloe vera gel. Love it. So I'm gonna detangle my hair and put it all backwards, so like that when I'm washing my hair it's not gonna be super tangled up. It's not supposed to be so tangled up because I did detangle it when I was applying the aloe vera, but you know that when putting everything together can get a little bit tangled up. This is what I shedded while detangling my hair right now. It's okay compared to what I used to lose. You guys, it's time to wash this hair. I'm gonna be using my favorite shampoo, the Cream of Nature moisturizing sulfate free shampoo. Super good, leaves my hair really soft. My hair is freshly washed. Now I'm going to put on the deep conditioner. My hair is damp, so I'm going to be using this, the ORS Hair Restore Hair Mayonnaise with nettle leaf and horsetail extract. So I like to put my deep conditioner now in sections, like part my hair in section, but I like to part my hair in section in a way that my hair will keep falling backwards. So I'm not gonna be doing like the 4 or 5. Y'all gonna see. If I'm watching this side, it's because my mirror is on that side. So I'm just gonna part my hair with my fingers because it doesn't have to be neat. You have to be careful when we're doing that because you see the hair can get really tangled, and if you pull roughly, it can break your hair. With my clip, I'm gonna secure my hair up there. So I'm gonna just take some like this. And I like to start with my ends because you know that's the oldest part of the hair, and work my way up to my scalp like this, and on my nape. And I just make sure every hair strand is coated with the deep conditioner. And you guys, that deep conditioner leaves the hair super soft. Do you use the ORS mayonnaise, or have you used it in the past? Did you like it, or did your hair like it? Because we can love a product, love the scent, everything, the ingredients, but then it doesn't agree with our hair because our hair don't like it. But my hair like it pretty much because it gets super soft. So I'm just gonna twist it like this, nothing major, and repeat the same step. Let's take this much. And then I like to apply a tiny amount to my scalp like this, to my roots I mean. Then I just take the one that I already put the deep conditioner on and just put them together. I also like to detangle my hair while with the deep conditioner on because I just roller set. I know that for the girls that only does air drying, you guys does detangle after, like when the hair is a little bit on the drier side, like that, like let's say 70-60% dried. But me, I just do it before because my hair need to be very well detangled for roller setting. So I'm done applying the deep conditioner. I'm going to deep condition with heat. This is my heat cap that I got from Amazon. It's pretty good, very easy to use, just on and off. I used to deep condition with heat under the hooded dryer, but the plastic cap always used to fly away and never used to stay put. So this is perfect. I give the right amount of heat that I need and the cap stays on my head. Leave this on for 30 minutes. So you guys, I rinsed out the deep conditioner. Now I am going to roller set my hair as I am. Leave-in conditioner is a moisturizing leave-in conditioner. It smells super good and it's really good as well. I really like it. I don't like to put a lot of leave-in conditioner because when you just put too much leave-in conditioner and you want to have like flowy blown out hair, sometimes the deep conditioner can weigh down your hair. This much is perfect. Usually I just put even less. I just make sure and get my ends in the middle here, the edges, the nape. And to do the roller set, you need a rat tail comb. So I just always do like this line here, do my roller sets, because it's way easier and faster for me. I have a bottle spray filled in with water just in case my ends dry out quickly. Even though my hair is already detangled, since I'm using a small tooth comb, when I'm going to be combing my hair, obviously the hair is gonna feel like it's tangled up. If you're trying to roller set your hair, take your time while doing this step, because you know detangling hair with a rat tail comb, by example, is tricky. So if you don't do it the right way, you can break your hair, and the right way is going extremely gentle with your hair. There is no hair on my comb because I took my time. I'm gonna wet my hair a little bit because I'm feeling it a little bit drier, and you gotta make sure that the ends is really wet. For the front, I'm gonna take this size, and you make sure smooth the end on the roller set, and you pull frontward like this. Always need to be like pulling it so the hair can be like tight on the roller set, because if your roller set is slack, it's not gonna dry properly. I keep pulling forward while rolling backwards, if that make any sense. And I just use bobby pins, the big ones like this. And the trick for your roller set to stay on with one bobby pin is by putting the bobby pin here and the back here, like here. Because if you put it here, roller set is gonna fall. If you put it here, it's gonna secure itself with the scalp. As you can see, it's good. I'm done with setting my hair. Now I'm gonna dry my hair with heat. I usually go under the hooded dryer. The hooded dryer is by my mom. So I bought this like cap that you just plug in the hair dryer and it acts like a hooded dryer. So I'm gonna dry my hair and I'll be right back to show you guys the final result. You guys, my hair is finally dry. With the drying bonnet, it took way longer than the hooded dryer, which is normal. I'm going to remove. I'm gonna blow dry my hair. Look how shiny my hair is, you guys. And that's the aloe vera. Aloe vera leaves the hair so shiny and soft and pretty. So I'm going to blow dry my hair, you guys, and I'm gonna be right back. And I also have a tutorial on how I blow dry my hair, like the Dominican blowout with the round brush. I have in-depth tutorial, so I'm gonna leave the link down below. I'll be right back to show you guys the results. So you guys, this is the final look. I blow dried my hair and flat iron a little bit, not so much. I didn't went like section by section, and it's been a while since I've blow dried and flat ironed my hair. Look at my hair. I haven't put no serum. I need no shiny serum. And look how shiny my hair looks. Love it. I'm gonna put some serum now which is the silicone mix gotas de brillo, well, hair polisher. So it looks like this. I'll just take the tiniest amount because I want my blowout to last at least 4 days. Too much serum or even moisturizing your hair is gonna weigh down your. This is how much I took, you see, tiny bit. And I just apply it like on the top like this, and then whatever is left on my hands, I just put it on my ends. So you guys, it's practically 11 p.m. or more. So I'm gonna wrap my hair because tomorrow hair can stay intact, so the blowout can stay intact and I won't have to use any more heat while my hair is like this. To wrap my hair, I use a comb and 2-way bonnet. Do like this. So I keep my hair on the side like this to avoid putting bobby pin or clips to keep my hair down. And then I just put the redecilla on the direction where the hair is going. And I'll just tuck it in. Voila. And then I'll just do one little twist like this to make sure the ends is flat. And we're all done. Filming while washing the hair is so time consuming, but it's all worth it for you guys. I do it all for you guys. So like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. God bless you. See you guys on my next video. Mwah. Bye.